Hey guys, welcome to Meigyo. This is Tutorial Tuesday, and yes, it is a pink love dance tutorial. It's only the chorus because I wanted to make a short one for you guys, but I hope you guys like it. You can click the annotations over here to click to where you want to go, part 1, part 2, part 3. It's not really a long thing, but yeah, I will see you at the end. Hope you like it. Bye guys! Alright, so for part 1 of the chorus, your left hand is going to be on your hip while your right is going to point to your head. While you do this, you're going to take 2 steps starting with your left leg, except your left leg is going to step under you and your right is going to step forward. Next, your left leg is going to step together to your right while both of your arms come down to your sides. And after this, you're going to step back on your left leg and turn your body so you're facing the left side of the room, and while you're doing this, your hands are going to open clockwise so that your right arm goes underneath your left. To clarify your hands, your right hand is going to start on top of your left and they're going to open and rotate to the clockwise direction so that your right arm can go underneath your left. When you reach the end position, your hands are going to open again except in the opposite direction so that your right arm will end on top of your left. And when you do that, your left leg is going to come back together to your right while you face forward. So to repeat that, your hands go clockwise while you step back on your left, then counterclockwise so that you come to this position, your right arm on top of your left with your feet together. Now for the signature move, your hips are going to swing 4 times, and each time you swing your hips, your arms are going to slowly separate. Your arms separate from each other 4 times, and your hips are going to swing to the left another time, except you're going to put weight on your left leg and your right leg is going to pop up. While you sit in your hip, your right hand points out like your hand is a gun, and your left hand is going to come to your hip. Okay, that's it. Now let's do it normal speed. Okay, now on to the second part of the chorus. I'm going to start off by doing the legs first. So the first move is to slide your right leg out and back in, and then use the same leg to push your leg out and in again. And then you're going to push your left leg out and in while moving towards the back of the room. And while you do this, your arms are going to both push out in front of you, and then your hands are going to clasp when they come back to your chest. Then you open them up again and push your right hand forward and then left. So when you do that together, it's push out, clasp in, then right, then left. After this, it's a repeat of the signature move, L-O-V-E, love. Next, you're going to take 4 steps starting with your left leg, and when you take each step, your opposite arm is going to hit your side at a 90-degree angle. After these 4 steps, you do the signature move one more time, and then jump so that you step on your left leg first and cross your right leg over in front. When you come to this position, your right hand is going to point in front of your hips, while your left arm comes to your hip. And you're going to bend your legs while your right hand points to the left, and then straighten your legs so that your hand returns to point back down. Next, your left leg shoots out to the side while both your arms reach forward and clasp back in, and your left leg comes back together to your right. Lastly, you take 4 steps forward, the last so that your feet end together. Alright, now try it real time. Okay, so for the last part of the chorus, when Naeun sings, both of your hands start on your chest like this, and you're going to jump towards the right back diagonal. It's a small slidey jump, and then you're going to do 2 little steps twice, left, right, left, right. While you do these 2 sets, the first set, you're going to roll your right shoulder back, and for the second, you roll your left shoulder back. Next, you step out on your right leg and lean your hip to the right, while your hips go to the left while your arms separate and clasp behind your back. After this, you take a step forward on your right foot, touch your left foot to the side while your head tilts to the left. Do this to the other side, and then another time touching your foot to the left, and then repeat the 4 steps starting with your left leg while hitting your arms to the side. And that's it. You learned the chorus part. I hope you like this, and let's do it real time. Okay, that's it for my A-Pink dance tutorial of Love. It's only a chorus tutorial. I can do the other parts if you guys ask me to, but this is it for now, and I hope you guys liked it. If you want to subscribe for more Maegyo, you can click over here, and we are also having a end of the month giveaway, so you can comment below to enter into that. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!